21. Tingin po tiya, tingin po. Ome po negunda, anaya lida damro nile. I'm overjoyed by the fact that I'm here to receive this award. Le doy gracias a Dios por darme esta oportunidad de estar acá para recibir este premio. Para mis amistades que están acá, que saben inglés, les voy a dar un poco de historia de este lugar. For my friends here that speak English, I'm going to give them a little history lesson. And I want table 23 to just be quiet for a few seconds. Mesa 23, por favor, dame un poco de cortesía.
Respeto.
This organization started about 27 years ago. They set up a parade that commemorates the independence of 5 countries: Costa Rica, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Honduras, and Guatemala. This was 203 years ago, September 15th, 1821, that these 5 countries received their independence. But we didn't. These countries, these 5 countries, the reason why you're here is because our countries did not have the privilege that the United States had.
Amen.
We lived in poverty.
That's right.
We lacked education. We lacked economic development. And the list goes on. Our countries were named banana republics by this country, the United States of America. We are here because our people are resilient. We are here because our people are fighters.
Yeah.
We are here because our people are workers. We are here because everyone here that received a prize, a recognition, have excelled in what they do. So I want to thank this organization for lifting our people up. 146 years later, after this independence that we're celebrating, my mother arrived in this country in 1963.
Amen.
146 years later.
Amen.
My mother, Teresa,
Right.
from Guatemala,
That's right.
and her partner, Héctor Melendez de Honduras, formed a dynamic duo. They brought 25 people from Guatemala and 35 people from Honduras into this country. Legally. And these individuals are doctors, lawyers, PhD students. 3 of them are here from the Bronx with PhDs in public health. All right? One of them, my cousin, is this young man's mother. The legacy continues, and it must continue to strengthen this next generation. We are here to ensure that this next generation becomes successful, and as well as this one. It is your duty, it is your job to make sure that the next generation is more successful than you. You'll hear it in the news that says, guess what? These parents are better than the next one. That's not true. It is your responsibility, each and every one of us, to make sure that the next generation is more prepared than us. So, we all have to do our part. We all have to do our part. Even the ones over there. You have to do your part. And I have done my part and I will continue to do my part behind the scene and in front of the scenes. September 15th, 2018, I got a call from the ancestors to speak to this young man over here, Arnold, to say to him, listen, you got to take your show on the road. And we gave him some seed money to make sure that his road was prepared. And I'm so thankful to you, Arnold, that you were able to take the Garifuna culture, the Garifuna dance to another level. It was up to you to do that, to the next generation, to the person beside you, to your kids, to your nephews, to your children, even the ones that you don't know. It is your responsibility. So I thank you very much, and I thank my family, my friends, my wife, my kids, for always pushing me and always being by my side. You know, but we have to support each other in that sense. Give the seed money, support, make the next generation better than us. Thank you.